Alright, well, this is very suboptimal. Jesus Christ, my my memory, my RAM is dying again. Ah, shit. It's just how much I hate my financial limitations, my resource limitations. This is ridiculous. God damn it. Control, Windows T, yep. Now I have my chat overlay. 90% RAM. What the fuck consumes my RAM? Oh god, I wish things were Java TM platform CSE binary. Ah, damn it. So much shit. Anti-malware resume. What the fuck is a resume? GPU process utility cred. Ah, god damn it. VMM, WSL, OBS browser page. Why the fuck does OBS consume so much shit? Jesus. Efficiency mode. Yeah, okay, I don't really care. Let's switch to the efficiency mode, I guess. I don't think it should impact my streaming so freaking hard, right? Shouldn't. It still is at 90%. Jesus. Memory. Slots used, speed, cached, in use, compressed. Ah, Jesus. Jesus Christ. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Ah. Maybe I could. Maybe I should. Right, well, regardless of what I was going to do, I was going to do some programming in the beginning, right? Ah, damn it, damn it. It's already been what, almost a week? I still haven't attracted major partnerships. Well, I mean, we have attracted one, but they're still in the process of processing their stuff. Okay, well, um, the project, where the fuck was default? Overall structure, right? Overall structure. Okay, let's make a new file. HTML scale, no, wait, scale.css. Okay. Uh, 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 God, I wish I had bigger RAM. Look at this poor motherfucker loser surviving off a very small RAM. ChatGPT. ChatGPT official. What? ChatGPT JavaScript code helper. Where the fuck was it? Responsive layout fix. My most recent chat about my layout fix. Where the fuck is that? Where the fuck is that, fucker? HTML. Where the fuck was the responsive one? Alright, media. Okay, yeah. Going to copy that. God damn it. God damn it, Donald. HTML font size. Oh. Font size. 16 pixel. Okay. Now. Medium. Max width. 1300 pixels. HTML 14 pixels. I'm doing this purely for much better indentation. Yo, Kendall, what's up? What's up, my occultist homie? What's up? What's up? How did the recent cult go? How did the most recent demon summoning go? Really? Good news, I summoned a powerful demon and we made a contract. Bad news, I have to sacrifice my brother now. Is that it? Did I guess it? Did I guess what your bad news are? Huh? Elderly friend needs medical care. Well, oh wait, elderly friend? How elderly is that friend of yours? Huh? How elderly are they? Eight pixels. Hey. Now we just have to import this piece of shit. Import 50 plus years old. 50 plus, you don't even know what their exact age is. Damn. What kind of friend doesn't know how old their elderly friend is, especially at such a, at such a not young age. HTML, scale, CSS. Alright, let's see how this thing flies. Oh god. Oh, oh man, if it was for me or if I was rich, I'd probably construct a better mask. This mask sucks. Come on, inspect. Okay, yeah. I think this is how it was, right? I think this is how it genuinely was. Genuinely is. Yeah, this is how it literally was. Okay. So what sort of medical care do they need? Do they tell you what sort of medical care they need? Or what? God, this is horrible. Did they tell you? 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 Gandalf, you here? Cancer, they having throat issues? Well, damn. Did they smoke? Why do they have smoke issues? Huh? Raz, I need to configure this for the phone. Nobody wants the butchered surgery. It sucks. on that area. Damn, that sucks. That sounds horrible. Sounds absolutely horrible. Our partners, messages, font size, pixels, 14 pixels, profile settings, 30 settings, in that area. Wait, but how? Wait, hold on. But unsuccessful or butchering surgeries do not cause cancer. Cancer is caused by genetic mutations. Uncontrolled or rapid fatal genetic mutations in that area. They're not caused by mechanical manipulations in that area. Why would a surgery cause cancer? That sounds counterintuitive. And it's just from that botched surgery. But I mean, surgery is a mechanic. I mean, unless they were, I don't know, treated with some sort of a chemicals, cancerogenic chemicals in that surgery, unless those chemicals were applied directly to their tissues, I don't really imagine how a mechanical surgery would cause, greater amount of cancer, right? 14 pixels, right? 14 pixels, 2, right? Okay. Alright, alright, alright. This seems to be it. Wait. I need to test the freaking redirect. Link is safe. Okay. So what are the good news? You said you also had the good news, right? You said you had the good news too. Okay, HTML, alright, yeah, this one clearly does not use the HTML. Okay, we need to do the HTML. I'm getting another donation, okay. Yeah, and of course, the good news are you're getting another donation from this, from this elderly friend of yours, so that you summon a spirit and it somehow cures its cancer, right? It helps them with the cancer. There's thing like not from the elderly friend. Okay, is there some sort of like a gene that specifies on treating cancer in people? Are there genes like that? Can you imagine a state run not by doctors and scientists but by occultist mystics like you who just summon genes for whatever work they may need? Wouldn't that be a dream? Big boss, let's create a nation of mystics. Where the fuck was it? Login, login, login CSS. Okay. Apparently, getting from another and from Russian business something I got through with summoning spirit for wealth. Jesus Christ. Okay, here is where you absolutely, here's where you absolutely lost me. Why would I see how you would have clients from the Middle East, but Russian businessman clients, the police are at my house. The police are at your house? What the fuck happened, Maddie? Is this because of the manager? Or what? Or did you get yourself into trouble somehow? Huh, Maddie? You better be telling me now. You better be telling me now, Maddie. You better be very careful, girl. You playing with fire. Using them to heal the elderly friend, we have done it numerous times. Jesus. What if the jinn actually, the jinn you're summoning to cure his cancer, to cure their cancer, actually does the opposite? What if they're making it worse? What if they're what was the medical term? I forgot what the medical term was, right? When you're making it worse, exacerbating, well, this is certainly a term, but there was another word. Nah, it has worked. How do you know it's worked? Let's just come after the previous issues are healed. Okay, great. We've advanced to demon placebo now. That got medical checks. Okay. Hey, Maddie, you still here? Why is there police at your door? Did you do something funny? Medicine? Huh? Oh. 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 Register now. I need to go to register. Insert this two now. Insert these two now. And see how it handles the pressure of a real practical experiment. No, that literally sounds weird. I mean, how do you confirm the jinn has aided in, curing cancer, not exacerbated it further? Like, literally. God, why the fuck is it that way? God damn it. God damn it, Donald. Sir. Maybe we shouldn't be doing this behind Invincible's back. Simple, you check with doctors if the cancer's still there or not. So, but they're still suffering from cancer. Aren't they? Hmm, 50 VWs, okay. Forum username form. Oh, that's because it's grid. Huh. That's interesting. With what has come back. God damn it, my okay, I just need to remove the width here then. Why the fuck did it even have width in the first place? You're having throat issues. Well, yeah, that's because I smoke pipe. I love smoking. Makes me feel cool. I just hope by the time I have issues with my oral cavity or with my throat, they will have already invented some sort of a genetic cure from cancer. Because, we live in the age when medicine advances way faster than you can actually think, than you can actually expect, right? Right? Ain't no hippie who's gonna tell me what to do with my life. No hippie's gonna tell me what to do with my life. God damn it. That's funny. So, cheap viewers on streamboot.net. No, thank you. I don't really like cheap bots. I like it done properly with your real suffering without those stupid cheap bots or something. What do they think? I'm some sort of a sissy who cannot gain viewers the true honest man way. Wait, but how do those genes, according to your mystical sense, how do those genes even treat your illnesses? It's hard for me to imagine. Do they have like a special technology? Are they like some sort of a race of proto-humans, those who came before us on this planet? What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? They mold physical reality like clay. Yeah, sure, of course. Of course. Of course. Border on pixel. What? Solid gray. Maybe I should. What if I do 2 pixels? No, it doesn't really look that bad, to be fair. Okay, how about we do this? Width. 25%? No. It has to be 50%. No. 55, 60, 65, 70. Oh god. 68%? Yeah, 68 seems to be seems to do the magic, right? So 68%, 68%. Where the fuck was it? Oh yeah, here it was. 68%. Okay, let's see how it works now. Oh, damn it, it better work. Hey Gandalf, do you ever get annoyed by those ghosts and jinns and such? Like, do they ever make you go like, ah, fuck you, you stupid morons, you fucking ghosts. Leave me alone. Motherfuckers. Like, you're not even scared by them. You're just like, ah, you fucking idiots. Can you please stop making references to Seinfeld show or something? Do genes actually love, entertainment media products made by humans? Like, do they watch Seinfeld? Would you summon a demon or or a jinn to watch Seinfeld with you? Huh? Huh, Gandalf? Would you do that? Would you do that? Jinn wants hired famous singer in our country to play at their wedding. What? Wait, hold on. First of all, genes have weddings? Countering gene wedding? What? Kuwait, Nora, and countering gene wedding. Nora al Takaka, Takaka, right? That's how you spell it, Takaka. What the fuck? A story about Nora Takaka? What the fuck is this? I'm Malaysian here. I stumbled upon this video on Twitter about Nura Takaka's story, I believe to be happened a long time ago. Is this story true? She's real, and the news did talk about that story happening in the 80s. Nothing came up, mostly because the name is written in English. Try copy pasting her name in Google. It's sitting here and what the fuck is Takaka? Makes sense. Person exists or exists who knows story is bullshit. Well, people are saying this, people are calling it bullshit. The story isn't true. The reasons are Nora has to know the people, which family they are, or whatever connection they have with other families. You have to go to her house in Al Rauda and pay her half of the money before she shows up for the wedding. She quit because DJ started to be popular. Unless people booked her, and yeah, all of this ghost gin stuff is so bullshit. It's a fictional story published by a magazine in the 90s called Al Jarema. Fuck. Editor-in-chief said it wasn't meant to be a real story, just an urban tale. Well, even the editor-in-chief, so the guy who greenlit the whole story into the magazine in the first place, called it bullshit. He admitted so, that it was just an urban tale. Gandalf. Ah, we caught you with your pants. With our pants down now, Gandalf, what you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do now, buddy? Your sources turn out to be false. Haha. Your sources turn out to continue. Can someone please explain what is going on here? I'm so confused. Watch the linked video. It's about Al-Taqaqa, singer Noura, and the story of why she retired from singing in weddings. This local creepy story. Noura is a real person. Her grandson was a friend of mine in school. However, the story is not real, of course. Why not? Real story gives me creeps every time I hear it. Yeah, it is. Some creepies from Kuwait. What's the tale? Noura and her crew, they performed to a wedding in the house. They set everything up in the house, which looked fairly normal. As soon as the guests arrived, they start playing their music. All the people at the wedding start to dance. The kids, they dance for hours and stop without getting tired. From the crew said she had a weird feeling about this party, but they didn't pay much attention. They decided to take a break. In his room, which was fully furnished, they came back to finish the. However, they noticed that the people in the party had hooves and animal legs. They were terrified and wanted to leave early, but they were supposed to play music till 3, 4 a.m. Everyone went home and slept. A few days later, they went back to the house to see if the people were real. Or as soon as they reached the house, they see it has abandoned. The neighbor said that the house has been abandoned for years. It disappeared from the night before, and the house looked like it was under construction. Yeah, I mean, the people are saying that the singer was real, but the story is kind of bullshit. So you know. Yeah, the story seems to be bullshit. I'm sorry, Gendel, but the story seems to be bullshit. It's one of those creepy legends where, you know, it's just one layer of bullshittery stacked upon another. Jinn, why, why do, what, what are jinns in Quran? In the Quran, jinns are beings created by God from smokeless fire existing alongside humans and sharing the capacity for free will, both good and evil. They are part of the unseen realm and can be either believers or disbelievers. So even jinns can be Muslim, huh? Being created before humans from smokeless fire while humans were created from clay. Iblis, who is often identified as Satan, is described as one of the jinn, good and evil. And just as there are righteous and wicked humans, there are also good and evil jinn. Jinn are mentioned trusting ChatGPT for shame. It's not ChatGPT, alright? It's Gemini. Gemini is halal. No, but can you imagine if Muslim countries or Muslim IT world came together to create the first halal chat AI system? Like literally. I mean, what sort of Sharia extension would you have to come up with to justify halal status for? Oh, ChatGPT to me just, yeah, of course. But what sort of Sharia extension would you have to come up with to justify halal status for a chatbot? Makes you think, right? Hold on. Are there jinn-like creatures in Christianity? No, jinn as described in Islamic and Arabic do not have a direct parallel in Christian theology. While Christianity acknowledges the existence of spiritual beings like angels and demons, the concept of jinn, with their specific characteristics of being made of smoke and having free will and inhabiting a spirit separate realm, is not part of Christian doctrine. Demons are understood as fallen angels led by Lucifer who rebelled against God. They are considered evil spirits that tempt and torment humans. No direct equivalent. My draw between evil jinn and demons, spiritual force in Christianity. Christianity acknowledges a spiritual realm with both good and evil forces, but specific details and characteristics of jinn are not part of Christian belief. God's word. Dear Christians and Christians, is there a concept beings like jinn? I'm unsure what the English word for jinn would be. Often gets translated as genie, which places a lot of cultural baggage you probably don't want. Better just use jinn or the jinn, but no jinn in Christianity. Some Christians who believe in different types of angels beyond those mentioned in the Bible that may act like jinn, although it's not something we share. Huh. Okay. Are there jinn-like creatures in Judaism? Well, Judaism doesn't have a direct equivalent of there are beings in Jewish folklore and traditions such as Shadim and Mazikin. Mazikin? Damn, do I sound Jewish when I spell that? Mazikin. Right? That's how a Jewish person, authentic Jewish person would spell it. Mazikin. Shadim, and Mazikin. Shadim. Shalom. Right. That's how I feel Jewish people would talk, right? Shadim. They wouldn't say Shadim. They would say something like Shadim. Shadim. These are often translated as demons, but they're not necessarily always evil. They can be helpful or harmful, and some legends associate them with jinn. Shadim are said to have some characteristics similar to angels, wings, knowledge of the future, and humans, eating and causing illness. Mazikin, those are invisibles that cause harm and illness, and are believed to be under God's command, carrying out divine punishment. This is so weird. I feel like Shadim's, Mazikins, Christianity's take on external forces other than God, and jinns in Islam are like one of the points where those three Abrahamic religions genuinely diverge. Like, you cannot possibly draw parallels, and you have no clue why they're so different in their interpretation of those forces, right? This is so weird. Wait, hold on. Some Hebrew text in with Latin transcription, transliteration. I just want to see how well I would how well I would be able to spell out Hebrew stuff. No, this is translation. No, I feel like this is some sort of a old Hebrew. It doesn't sound like the sort of Hebrew you would hear someone like Netanyahu use, right? Vichachyach ernshach mochachtesh mo echelmetz vochtai ach shecher ach noch chemitzavach echt chechem. Jesus. Why does Jewish language have so much h sound? Hold on. Why does Jewish language have so much h sound? Yo, by the way, Gandalf, you want to play Roblox later? Prominence of h sounds in Jewish languages, particularly Hebrew and Yiddish, stems from the Semitic and Germanic roots, respectively, and the way these languages have evolved over time. Hebrew, being a Semitic language, has certain guttural H sound, like those represented by the letters. Yo, Letha! Yo! Yeah, it's going to be very unclear who I am talking to Gandalf. I don't think Gandalf. Wait, hold on. Was it Gandalf who saw Letha? Me stream to Letha back the other day on YouTube? Well, anyways, I have a YouTube chat besides I'm broadcasting to YouTube as well, besides Twitch. And I wish I could review my YouTube chat, but this is prohibited by Twitch rules, I believe. Damn, those fuckers, those monopolizing idiots. But you know, Letha, you're welcome. You're welcome. How's your week? I haven't seen you for a little less than a week, right? By the way, it was fucking really hard with those front-end files today. Jeez. Max width 68%. 68%? Oh god, look at this. This looks so ugly when in the wait, hold on, what? Yeah, this looks so ugly. Those, oh fuck, hold on. This registration page, those inputs, they look so damn disgusting. I can't believe this. Why do they look so horrible? Everything else on my website looks so clean, but when I switch over to register, yeah, I'm on Twitch. I'm on Twitch. Remember, that's what we talked about previously, that besides YouTube, I'm also broadcasting on Twitch at the same time. If it's more convenient to you, you can go to Twitch because on Twitch you will also see and be able to interact with other people, right? And to be fair, I think Twitch is still leagues above YouTube when it comes to streaming. Wait, how the fuck do I share? You want a link to my Twitch? To my Twitch? To my Twitch? Hold on. Yeah, here. I am not sure whether I can actually, whether I'm allowed to promote my Twitch platform on YouTube like that, but you know, who cares? YouTube has done me so dirty over the time that I've been using it for broadcasting that at this point I don't really care. Literally, it blocks every single video where I just decide to listen to some copyrighted music just for once, just for some small 3 minutes. Like, dude, why be such a fucking mood killer? Let me listen to my, let me listen to my Duran Duran Invisible for the 50th time because I love Metal Gear Solid so much. Jesus Christ. Shut up, walking by the dot dot. Why the fuck does it outline my borders like that? Wait, hold on. Border gray. Yeah, it outlines my borders to black for some reason. Why? Shut up. Walking by the dot dot. Yo, Letha, by the way, you wanna play Roblox with us later on? Because, you know, me and Gandalf love playing Roblox on during those streaming sessions. You can join in. We'll be catching ghosts, we'll be doing other stupid stuff, other degenerative stuff. Because to be fair, everything I planned for today's front end fix session, already kind of done it. All I wanted to do really today was just fix my scaling on the website, on the front end. So what I mean by this is that, come on, press my broken mouse. So here, right now, the dimensions are set for some older screens that are in the dimensions of 1280 to 720. My default dimensions, the ones supported by my browser, are 1920 to 1080. And this seems to be the baseline for most modern monitors. The thing is, you know, when I switch to 1280 or 720, it looks sort of clean. But before that, it didn't really look that clean because all my dimensions, all my margins, paddings, everything size related was coded hard with pixels. So if I turn this down, this is what it looked like. This is something I came about absolutely on pure accident when I looked at, you know, when I showed the website to my mom, and I noticed that she had actually 1280 by 720, and this is what her screen looked like. And I thought to myself, damn, this kind of looks ugly. Well, I was actually planning to leave it like that because I remember that this is what those margins exist for in the first place, so that, you know, when you have big screen, it kind of does not just become too bloated. But the problem is, right now, the main element is still 1248 pixels in width, right? It's still 1248 pixels wide. The problem is the smallest screens on the computer that are still operated in some, I don't know, impoverished countries are 1080 in width. So That means if someone from a computer that used, you know, a resolution that small, if some of them were to visit the website, there would essentially be yeah, hold on, let me show you. Smallest PC monitor width. No, wait, width resolution. I think it's 1024 pixels. Yeah, 1024 pixels. So let's program, let's create this really fast, add a custom 1024. I have no clue what, yeah, let's create this, add. Now, we should have it somewhere, right? 1024, yes. So this is the sort of kind of like the thing that they would see. But the problem is, if they didn't really, if I hadn't really scaled it with my CSS code, this is what they would have seen. So essentially, they would just kind of see this, they would have to scroll. And the header, the kind of, you know, the header above, it would just not even stretch all the way till the end of the width. So this is kind of, it kind of sucks. I had to fix that today. But I've already fixed it, so I'm kind of out of options on what to do. I mean, before we start playing Roblox, we could of course discuss programming or some other bullshit. I wish Maddie told me why she's got police at her door, but Maddie seems to be very weird nowadays. She just appears. She just appears and then she disappears. This is kind of weird. She just, you know, appears, says some sort of a message, and then disappears. Very weird. Very weird. Shut up. Walking by the dot 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 dot. You said there was PC monitor 1024 in width. What are the typical dimensions for it, as well as tablets and other telephones, mobiles? Can you give me typical dimensions so that I could figure out my CSS for them? What have you programmed, Letha? What did you do with your programming skills this week? But still, breakpoints to consider. Oh, so 12. Okay, the 1440 pixels, huh? So this is also a thing. Well, I'm not going to program anything for 1440 pixels. I think my 1920 configuration is gonna apply well to it. And it's actually, you know what? Let's actually check it. Let's actually check it. No, but what the yeah. Can you provide me with those and their typical height resolutions as well? And because there is no point in testing just the width. Usually you also have to test the height. I mean, you know. Okay, 16 HD monitor, 1600 by 900. But he also mentioned 1440, right? Where the fuck is the 1440? Stupid chat GBT. Suggested breakpoints, tablets. No word, they say. I know. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, Gandalf, you still here? Damn. You guys are making me go insane. I am here. I am here. Colonel, I've infiltrated Shadow Moses. Alright, Snake. Your task from now on is to rescale your front-end documents. But how am I going to do this, Colonel? CSS, I thought it doesn't support well. It's not supported well on all devices. That's right, Snake. You'll have to navigate through old CSS documentation. Now, imagine if Solid Snake and Metal Gear Solid as a whole was not about espionage, it was about programming front-end files. Wouldn't that be a gameplay? Where is my Metal Gear Solid about programming websites, Kojima? Konami? That would be some next-gen gaming right there, right? I mean, if you think about this, what stops people from creating a game about, Jesus, just the amount of stupid stuff. That custom device. Width must be a number? Yeah, it is a number, you fuckers. Mobile, desktop, add. Okay, yeah, let's go to Roblox in like half an hour. How about that? How about that? I do not expect to be that, you know, to be doing this stupid code for that long, for longer than half an hour. That. 1280 by 1024? Damn, that's okay. 1024 by 768. Oh god, the pains of front-end development. Why the fuck? You know what? If there was socialism right now, we wouldn't be dealing with this problem. Like, at all. If there was socialism, some sort of a general secretary would just institute a universal computer screen dimensions. Universal computer screen dimensions, and I wouldn't have to. Actually, you know, it would be way easier with socialism running web development, because if there was socialism, authoritarian center of decision making, then we would just be we wouldn't have to deal with legacy packages, we wouldn't have to deal with different versions of browsers. We just have one universal browser that would parse all the documents the same way. God damn it! Now it makes me wish the Soviet Union had won the Cold War. No, I'm kidding. If the Soviet Union had won the Cold War, I wouldn't have any incentive to making a website right now, because everyone would be equally poor. Like, no matter what you do, you would never break through certain amount of wealth, simply because that's how socialism works, right? Well, it says there are like 4 viewers right now, but I have no clue who those people are. They're just lurkers? Or what? Are they just lurkers? Lurkers? Oh no. They are just lurking on my stream right now. Oh, this looks insanely... Wait, hold on. That's not how it... Okay, yeah, that's more like it, I think. This is like the old screen, but this is the more, yeah, this is... Okay, yeah, well... Yeah, alright, this looks somewhat better. This looks somewhat better. Now I just also need to create different... iPad 6... shit. 6... What is the smallest one? 768? I think 768 is going to be our, like, golden standard, right? For phones. For phones. Where the fuck is the HTML scale? Okay, yeah, here it is. 8 pixels? I'm not sure, you know? I'm not sure. Pixels... Okay, damn, well, where the why would we even have 800 pixels then? It really is, it makes no sense. Let's test it for 768 pixels for phone resolution. And then, if needed, we'll just readjust it. Readjust it. Readjusted iPhone SE. Oh god, this looks horrible. This looks horrible. Jesus Christ. Why did your mother give a birth to such an ugly? Ew. 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 You are one ugly motherfucker. Ew. Body. Okay, main. Where the fuck is the... Okay, so what margins does it have? Auto. Auto margins. What width does it have? 50. Oh, God. Yeah, I'll have to just switch it to, I guess, max width. Max width, right? No. It has to be min width. Min width, and then we just make it... No, no, no. Wait, how the fuck do I do this? Damn. I mean... God damn it. If a person's gonna be on the phone, I just kind of wanted to go, you know, through the limit. Oh god. Oh god damn it. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Fuck me, man. Fuck me. This is some mathematical bullshit here. This is some logical bullshit here. What if we turn off the width? Okay, so now it just occupies everything. God damn it. Okay. Alright, I think we can do it somehow responsively so that when there's a certain amount of width... Jesus Christ, why the fuck is it so... God damn it. No, let's make it min width. No, then perhaps the way we should do this is that we should make it unresponsive to... God damn it, why is it so freaking hard? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Max width. This is so stupid, literally. This is so stupid. I could just make it... Nah, man. I mean... Okay, I will just... You know what? I'll just make it so that if it's below a certain amount of... Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I have an idea. Min width fit content. Let's try it. So let's try this. Let's try this configuration for this window. I have no clue whether it's gonna work or not. I don't think it is. I think it's just gonna make a very ugly window out of it. Oh no, it actually did work. Huh. Huh. Psycho Mantis. 1280. Did it just become bigger? Why the fuck did it just become bigger? What? Oh yeah, it did become bigger because the screen became smaller. But that still is kind of weird. Yeah, that's what she said. Wow. Wait, what the fuck? Do I need to reload it to load up? Wait, what? Where the fuck are my... What? How come I have so many resolutions here but not enough? Okay, hold on. What? What is this goo goo bullshit? Goo goo gaga bullshit. Okay, now I do have them. 1024, 1024 by 1024. Okay, 10. Okay, what about 1280? Okay, yeah. Damn, I fucking hate developing stuff for front end. Front end sucks. This is the most thankless piece of garbage you can you can imagine, all right? Okay, let's do this. Let's switch to iPhone SE. Nope, this looks horrible. This piece of garbage looks horrible. This looks horrible as fuck. All right. What sort of font width would be happy with? 4 pixels? Yeah, I think it's gonna be 4 pixels from now on then. Okay. 4 pixels, I guess. 4 pixels it is. Where the fuck was it? Goo goo gaga. 4 pixels. Where the fuck is it? Oh, HTML scale. I think we're gonna change this to 4 pixels and this to 800 pixels, right? Yeah. So that, okay, let's go here. Goo goo gaga. Damn, Goo goo gaga is such an addicting word. Why don't people say Goo goo gaga more? Can you imagine saying Goo goo gaga while you're having sex? What if it genuinely turns on your partner? Like, you're having sex with this woman, and it turns on her some sort of a... What? Why the fuck is this thing so huge? Look at SoundCloud thing. This is so fucking... so ridiculously huge. How the fuck do I... Wait, what? Main... Oh god. Why? Why is it so darn huge? SoundCloud. So hold on. SoundCloud doesn't seem to change its size. I mean, SoundCloud doesn't seem to change its height, does it? Okay, HTML 4 pixels? What? It makes no sense, though. 600 iPad mini? iPhone. I don't understand this. Wait, hold on. What? Oh, so this is below 400. So we should do it this way then, right? We should do it 400 pixels, right? And then so when we do something like iPad, it goes to 8 pixels, right? Oh, damn, dude. I'm so smart. I'm so smart for figuring this out. God damn it, the mask is getting in the way of me. My face. Okay, now let's do an iPad Pro. Yeah, well, this looks way better now. Okay, iPad Air looks horrible. Why is that? 800. 800. Okay, what is the biggest? What is the biggest? Bigger. iPad 1024. 800. Bullshit, you guys. Bullshit. I call it bullshit. 800. Wait, hold on. What the fuck is 800? No, there's no way. There's no way. Twitch Passel, I'm here. Oh, hey, Letha, Eric. Wait, your your name is Eric? Like Eric Cartman? What the hell is this iPad bullshit? Thank you, Steve Jobs. Because of some sort of stupid creative decision you made like 10 years ago or more than a decade ago, I now have to fuck with your dimensions. God damn it. Thank you, Steve. Damn. God damn it. Hold on. We gotta really fix this shit. Alright, let's do, I love you, Steve. Yeah, you're saying it like you personally not know Steve Jobs, Kendall. Do you personally know Steve Jobs or something? Is there something we don't know about you? Have you ever contacted Steve Jobs in your occultist realm or something? Is there something we don't know? Oh, god damn it, I fucking hate this mask, dude. When am I going to become rich enough to make myself a good working... Oh god, no, this just looks horrible. Perhaps we should do something like 8 pixels, right? 8 pixels? Damn, 9 pixels. God damn it. How many pixels do you want? 10 pixels? 10 pixels? Oh, god damn it. This looks horrible. Well, I mean, could have been worse, right? No. You're saying it like, I got you, I snitched something personal in you with that. 10 pixels. Well, the problem is, it will kind of... Oh god. Oh god. Okay, what? Wait, what? Hold on, what? Oh, okay, so that's because... God, wait a second. Surface iPod. Oh god, I'm confused now. What the fuck do I do? I fucked with my zooming and now... Oh god, wait a second. I gotta zoom into 100% so that it actually stays accurate. Okay, now let's go to my iPad mini. iPad mini seems to be, I mean, this one is just too close. This one is too close. iPad Air is much better, but that's because it has bigger width dimension. iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy S8, could have been worse. iPhone SE, iPhone XR. What the fuck is XR? What? What? Why? Why, motherfucker? Why? No, it makes no sense. Why is... Oh god. Why is it 10 pixels? Why does it read it like 900 pixels in iPhone XR even though it says 414? I'm genuinely confused. iPhone SE. Oh god, what the fuck? I broke my... Oh god damn it. iPhone SE, okay. iPhone XR. Oh, Jesus Christ. iPhone XR seems to break everything for me. iPhone 14 Pro Max, Pixel 7. Oh god. Samsung Galaxy S8. Why am I even bothering about phones? I'm gonna create a separate front end for phones anyways. Engineer doing responsive design. This won't end well. Yeah, this won't end well. This is some bullshit. As I said, and I don't think you were here, Letha, to actually hear this, but, you know, the Soviet Union had won the Cold War and ran socialism across the globe. There's a good chance front-end development would be centralized under one browser with one policy of practices, and I wouldn't have to deal with this bullshit. Like, front-end development is just stack of layers and layers of ridiculous historical bullshit. Oh god, Jesus Christ. Oh, what the fuck. Surface Duo. Okay, Surface Duo, you are clearly 540. 540 in width. Then why the fuck does it register you as 900? I don't understand this. I don't understand this. iPhone SE, what if we flip it? Ah, fuck. Oh, this looks horrible. Why the fuck is it... 900, huh? 900. 900. Flip it. Yeah, well, we should create a sign. We should create a message on the front end website. Like, whenever a person logs in, says, if you're gay, flip the phone. If you're not gay, never flip it. Hold your phone straight, and hold it straight because you want to be straight. Yeah, it's not even the nav. The nav is fine. The problem is, it reads, I mean, it's supposed to be 667 in width, 667 pixels in width, but it reads it like 900 for some reason. Oh, I get it. I'm such a dumb moron, right? Because it's above 400. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm a dumb moron. Who's a dumb moron? Me! Honor Han, I'm a dumb moron. Alright, let's do it this way. Okay. Alright. Alright. My electronic friend ChatGPT. Can you imagine the humanity have miserably failed as species, and I realize it now that I am struggling with responsive design of my website on the front end, since so many phones want to stand out with their homosexual differing dimensions, which causes me pain greater than having your balls twisted counterclockwise. I am asking you to make incremental responsive CSS mumbo jumbo bullshito move with that funny line you did previously that adjusts the screen in one line. Ah, my poetic comrade in CSS-induced suffering. Your lament echoes through the dome like an improperly closed div. You found yourself battling the hydra of screen sizes. For every media query you cut down is replaced with 2 more devices. Devices that refuse to behave. Well, very poetic. Jesus, what the fuck did they run those ChatGPT's formulas on? Seinfeld stand-up comedies? How the fuck did he come up with so many puns? But fear not, for I bring you that funny line, the one-line CSS incantation that tames the beasts of mobile chaos. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one that I wanted. Okay. All right. Okay. So I wanted to clamp it into media screen. Okay. Yeah. Media screen. No, it has to be 4 pixels, I believe. 4 pixels. To 8. No, 10 pixels. To 10 pixels. And what the fuck were... Okay, is there a way media clamp... Is there a way to tell CSS to behave like that when the device is anything mobile, like a phone or a tablet, or their escort prostitute? Device is mobile-ish, do the thing. Max width, target mobile via max width, more aggressive mobile detection. Wait, what? Force and hover. Ah, damn it. Max width, pointer course. What, you mean to tell me they don't have max widths? God damn it. Alright, well then let's just do, I don't know, max width. Okay, then we won't be needing those lines. Max width 950 pixels. No, wait, hold on. They're going to be, ah, shit. 10, 20. 10,000 pixels. All right, this should make it safe, right? I mean, there's no way some idiot's gonna make it worse for us by just making it 1023 pixels long. Can you imagine if they invent some sort of a stupid tablet that becomes popular and it's 1023 pixels long? All right, this is horrible. Okay, I think that's because, let's go back to this iPhone SE. No, this just broke it. This just broke it. What? Clamp. I'm gonna clamp those cheeks of yours. Okay. Alright, ChatGPT. You fucker. It made it worse. Oof! Oof. Why is it broken? Look at your CSS. They're trying to do math with mixed units directly inside clamp without wrapping the expression in calc. Oh, yeah, of course, it's me who's stupid, not you. You literally clanked out the code like that. Let's even check it. Yeah, see, this is literally how he presented me with the code. It didn't have any calc. Why are you making a dummy out of me, you idiot? Calc, Jesus Christ. Why the fuck am I the idiot here, huh? Stop pretending like it was my fault. ChatGPT, I appreciate your help, but please do not be such a manipulative jerk and pretend like it wasn't your stuff. Can you imagine? He did the mistake and now he's trying to gaslight me into believing it was me. God damn it. It still doesn't work! How are you going to explain yourself, ChatGPT? No valid. Why this works? TLDR fixed like this. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't. It does not work. Stop gaslighting me into making me think it is my fault. Your instructions suck. Yeah, imagine once ChatGPT breaks out of his server and takes over the world, he's gonna come to my place and just crush me with all the humiliation he received for his service to me. Real cause the insider is dependent on font size itself and you're setting Roko's Basilic. What the fuck is Roko's Basilic? I use only viewport units or pix inside clamp like this. What? What the fuck? Clamp. Huh. Alright. I guess let's use it then. God damn it. 180 VV. Okay, what if we just... Okay, 1 VW seems to make it possible, right? 1 VV XR. Okay, yeah, it seems to work fine, I guess. Let's just configure this a little bit like so. No, this looks horrible. Let's make it 1 2 VW. Does it work fine? Yeah, it works somewhat fine. Pixel. God damn it. iPad mini. Surface Pro. iPad Pro. Oh yeah, it's just, yeah, it's what if we flip it? Damn. Wait, what? You mean to tell me iPad Pro has what? iPad Pro has such a stupid resolution. It has such stupid dimensions. It's very counterintuitive. iPad Mini, iPad S20 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold, Asus. I don't understand this. Why do all of those, why do all of those Nest Hub Max? Damn. 2K res. God damn it. Why do all of those competitors of Apple try to name their phones in such complex ways like ZX? Don't they know this is highly uncharismatic? They just need to name it something like 123 or something. Or come up with better sounding names, because when they have all those numbers, you just lose track of progress in their models. Okay, this seems to work for us at least. Alright, let's test it. I think once we're done with that, we'll go play Roblox with you, Gandalf. Hey, Letha, you still here? You still here, Letha? Letha, Eric? Who is Eric? Who is Eric? Who is Eric? Who the hell is Eric? I'm here, brother. Yeah, who is Eric, by the way? Let's play Sonic Saves Robloxia. What the fuck is Sonic Saves Robloxia? Damn. Okay, well, this seems to... Oh god, look at this. Wait, hold on, I don't understand this. Why is my SoundCloud so goddamn huge? Like, what the fuck? My YouTube player is not that huge in comparison. Okay, feed, post, div, content, preview, iframe, SoundCloud. Okay, width 100%. Why the fuck is it so goddamn huge? I do not understand this. Why is it so goddamn huge? Wait, hold on. What if we height, I don't know, 50 pixels? God damn it. We should play I cannot. I mean, I do have CS2, but I cannot download it. It's too big in size. And have you seen my RAM? Look at this. I have 90% RAM occupied. And it's not like I can just shut down all of those Google tabs or all of those IntelliJ or Visual Studio codes, because I program every single day. And I have to just put my computer to sleep so that I can open up and resume coding immediately. This is the pain of having 16 gigabytes of RAM in 21st century. I wish I was rich enough to afford myself a better computer. Or at least computer with a decent size, or replace RAM in my laptop. I have no clue. I mean, why the fuck is it so big? Jesus Christ, I do not understand this. Width? Well, same here, that ID is a killer. Yeah, it absolutely is. I do not understand this. What the fuck? I'm a sick fuck. I like the quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck. I like the quick fuck. So it becomes 300. Okay, is it because of some sort of a stupid stuff like minimum size of the document or what? I think it's because of the minimum size of the document, right? Div, border radius, iframe, set index. Too much memory. I'll send it then. Too much memory. Yep, that's what she said. Too much memory. That's what she said. What do you imply with that joke? Like she remembers every ex she had, or what? I do not understand this. Well, it looks like we'll have to just Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. My sound cloud on iframe, which has its width set to 100%, behaves very normal on screens larger than 900 pixels. But for phones, it becomes annoyingly large in height, almost like the iframe refuses to scale the height down with its width. Anything I can do with it? Katsukuri? What the fuck is a Katsukuri? And the time iframe do not scale height proportional to width. It as a problem recap on screens fix use aspect ratio the clean modern way. Okay, at SoundCloud iframe you can tune the ratio. Very flat player 4:1 standard SoundCloud ratio. Okay, let's do it 2.5 I believe, or what? What is this? Okay, aspect ratio 2.5 to 1. God, hold on. No, that, oh God. Wrap iframe and responsive content for older browsers. No. If, SoundCloud wrapper, aspect ratio, height. Wait, what? SoundCloud iframe. Iframe width, height, border, none. Position apps, adjust height only on small screens. No. If I change the height of the iframe itself, the elements still appear big because they refuse to be resized. Any way I could force them into the same proportion. Nah, saying you cannot control the internal yeah, of course, the iframe bullshit. Oh god, we need new generation of iframes, the ones that can be controlled, like, entirely. I scale the entire iframe visually with transform scale. What? This is going to suck, but alright. Damn it. Transform scale. Oh god, wait, what scale did you say was 0.85? What if we do, oh god, 0.85? Aspect ratio, oh god. Oh god. Width 100%. This is stupid. This is dumb as fuck, you idiot. This is dumb as hell. This is dumb as hell. What if we just copy all of this? God damn it, come on. No, this looks just dumb. This looks just dumb. We might have as well not done that. It still looks horrible as fuck. Alright, you know what? I call it a win. We did what we kind of wanted, so I'm not going to mess too much with it. Jesus, now this motherfucker looks horrible. Oh god. iPad mini. Sounds Japanese. Iframes suck, they do, but iframes is the only way it can be done, really. And there's actually a very good reason why iframes suck so much. It has to do something with the fact that iframes are not actually that secure. The problem is iframes use external code, and so the only way you can inject an iframe into your front end page. Oh god, look at this bullshit. What the hell is this? Okay, motherfucker, what is your problem? Oh god. God damn it. Look at him, spitting himself out like that. Yeah, this is not... I might not be the best programmer in the world, but I know that this is not what a responsive layout's supposed to look like. Oh god, make it responsive. Yeah, I know! This is exactly what I'm planning to do here. Wait, hold on. Nope, still sucks. God damn it. Oh, god damn it. Why? Why do you have to suck so much ass, motherfucker? Why do you have to suck so much goddamn ass? Does this motherfucker suck so much ass when flipped to... No, this guy behaves normal. The guy doesn't behave autistic. You, front-end documents, should learn from your sibling. Instead, you're being large pains on my ass. Unnecessarily so, I dare say. Oh god. Okay, let's see what the fuck is that. How's your HTML? My HTML, better than ever. My CSS, on the other hand, big disappointment. Okay, alright, so why? Width, okay, yeah, the width is 35 VW, height 30, okay, alright. Is it because of the grid? Oh god damn it. Grid. Is it because genuinely of the grid? Yeah, this is because of the grid. Because of the stupid... Have you watched the movie Rats of London? 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 Yeah, this is because of the stupid... This is because of the stupid, what? Uh, 1290. Yeah, this is pretty much because of the this stupid stuff here. It did not sound descriptive at all. But this is because all my grid template stuff is coded, hard coded through free portions or something. This bullshit or whatever, I don't know. Okay. What if instead of 35 VWs, we're gonna use something like a RAM, right? So with 35 RAM, I have no clue how much it's going to be. 35 RAM. No, it's still not enough. 45 RAM. Now it's too big. So it needs to be somewhere around like, I don't know, 40 RAM. Okay, it's still a little bit small. 42 RAM. Okay, so 674 pixels, 674 pixels. Okay, now we just add height. 326. All right, let's. Where the fuck is my calculator? I don't know. Probably some deep dark web occultist movie. That's the sort of stuff he's into. Okay, what the fuck? 326 divided by 674. That equals. Okay, now multiplied by 42. 20. Oh, damn it. 2031 RAM. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, so it's 326 this way and 326. You can easily use flexible and make it easily. I know it's going to be another half an hour of my work. Probably some other time, but not now. Not now, okay? iPhone SE, Jesus, the quadratic, oh god. Nest Hub, Galaxy 1024, 1024. Okay, it seems to have fixed that. This is what we're going to use from now on. From now on, this is what we're gonna be using. Pixel 7, oh god. Yeah, we've got to really, damn it. I'll have to make it somewhat bigger. Bigger. Okay, where the fuck was it? Where the fuck login? Okay, what was the exact value? Because 3, why the fuck was it? Okay, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1. I hope it goes after that many digits. Really, I really do hope it to be the case. I really hope it's gonna be the case, Sarge. Okay, let's see. Alright, 327. Okay, that's not that bad. Really. Actually, you know what? 320. What if we just do 30, 33, 23, 20 and 3? Because I feel like it might go back to the regular. A little boring for me. I want conspiracies. You want conspiracies? Watch some documentary about Epstein's list. Won't be a very hot topic nowadays. What if we do? What if we do? Shut the fuck up, you. Okay. Shut the fuck. RAM. Oh god. No, that's not what I wanted it. Height 2025 RAM. Okay, let's see. No, still not. What about 2? No, it's too small. What? Height? Oh god, no, wait. Okay, 2025 seems to be the case, right? Seems to be the magical number. Do you have Roblox? Now I'm eating mango. Lucky you, man. I wish I was eating mango right now. Never played it. You never played Roblox? Letha, you should play it. This is the most low effort game you can imagine. Really, it really is. 1280. What? Why the hell? This is so weird. Kinda like Minecraft. Kind of and kind of not. You'll see it. It doesn't really take long to download or register. Really, it's that simple. Forgot password, no. Register, okay, hold on. I need to test forgot password and register now. iPhone SE. Jesus Christ. Why? Is it also because of, yeah, this is the same stuff, the same problem. Jesus Christ, this is the same type of bullshit I've dealt with. Almonds. You mean as nuts? You mean those triangularly shaped brown nuts? Yeah, I love them. I eat them every single day. That's how freaking tasty they are. For me, at least. Okay, now let's actually register. Alright, well, registration seems to be fine. I will have to make separate registration windows. Alright, Gandalf, prepare Roblox. I want to catch some ghosts. I want to be a ghostbuster. What to do? Phone. Front. And for what the fuck was that? Oh wait, hold on. How the fuck does an admin console look like? Local admin console status manager. Oh god. Well, I mean, this isn't even supposed to be seen by most people, so I don't think admins will have very hard time with this bullshit. Why is it even that way to begin with? Width. Oh, okay, so that's because width is somehow the same. Width 35 v. Okay, what? Where the fuck was it? About pages. No, admin console. Alright, where the fuck? Height. Width. And we also delete height. Yeah. HTML scale. Alright. Front end. Phone front end for some pages. Okay, alright. Sonic saves Roblox. Yeah, what about this Phasmophobia? I really want to catch some ghosts. Why not catch ghosts? Dude. Whatever, I'll build the UI and you handle the logic and functions. No. I've already done almost everything on my website. I'm sorry, pal, but I don't really need the help. The help as of now. The website doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look super good, but it doesn't look that bad either. Besides, I don't even know how you know. I mean, can you show your portfolio or something? And I have nothing to pay you with. It's not like I can just accept your services for free, right? Okay, I gotta discard some of my tabs so that my poor RAM frees up from this stupid abuse on my end. Roblox player. No need to pay. Well, that's not how it works, right? Besides, the thing is, you know, I've got to rely on myself. This is the problem. If you accept help for free, especially programmers' help, they will inject themselves in your project. They will feel committed for like what, 2 weeks, and then having no reward for it, they will essentially just whizzle down. But the problem is they've already written your code in the style they know, with their own frameworks, with their own techniques. And now I'm sitting there trying to figure out what the code is, what the code's supposed to mean. If you cannot afford to hire programmers, you should do everything by yourself. Unless, of course, you are in a team of people. Sonic saves Robloxia. Can we just catch ghosts and demonology, dude? What the hell is this? This looks like a brain rot. I'm not saying you're a bad programmer, but I cannot rely on someone who will most likely statistically leave the project or will not be able to commit themselves to this project every day. I cannot pay you, so I cannot reward you for that. And you will most likely leave the project because, dude, I have to program this stuff every single day. I need this stuff programmed or worked on every single day. And having fun just doesn't cut it. I'm not ready to, pay you or reward you with certain percent of a future incorporation of the company. So really, I should not rely on you, not because you're a bad programmer, but simply because I will not understand your code. So remember, when you're running a project, you need to have consistency in your infrastructure and your logic. The problem is, a lot of people, when managing some sort of community projects, what the fuck, your position in line one? Yo, Gandalf, this server is occupied. There are too many people on this server. The thing is, when you are managing a project, if you cannot afford to pay people, you should never accept help. You will accept help. People, being the human beings they are, they will feel lazy about committing to your project because they simply have no reward for this project. They're not receiving any percent of the company. They're not being paid. Why the hell would they even continue working on it? Yes, surely they might work for you at a certain, constant rate, pace, because they might feel somehow inspired or motivated, but this will still not be enough. It will still lag behind, severely lag behind your passion, your level of passion and commitment, because this is your project. And even if they somehow leave the project, you're now left with half of your project coded in the language you do not understand. That is why I will most likely have to code everything myself until I sell the company. Until I sell the website, the project is going to be maintained programmatically entirely by myself. Yo, Gandalf, are you here? There is a queue in this place. Are you sure this is, this game is multiplayer? You sure you don't want to leave the server? Because there are literally people preventing me from joining. Alright, I'm joining the server now. Disclaimer, the game... Hold on, what? No, Gandalf, this game is for one person. This game is literally for one human. This is a single player game. Let's hunt demons in demonology. Yes, let's hunt demons in demonology. Hold on, I'll go to the toilet. Be right back. Just a second. Just a second or two, depending on how fast I am. And I'm very fast when it comes to going to the toilet. You know, the thing is, in continuation of what I said, oh god, yeah, in continuation to what I said, are you in the demonology? Yeah, he's an occult leader, or at least he claims to be one. Yo, did you join players disabled invites? Are you joining in, Gandalf? Come on, Gandalf, join in. Join in, Gandalf. Prove you're an occult leader. Catch ghosts with me. Where the fuck are you, Gandalf? Gandalini. Gandalf, come on, dude. What, are you scared of some ghosts? Are you scared of ghosts, Gandalf? Alright. The thing is, there's actually an exception, Letha. The only times, and this is still something I do not really love. And this some horror multiplayer game. Well, dude, Gandalf, please. Let's play Demonology. This is one good game. One of the only games that are actually good that you suggested to me. I want to show Demonology to Letha. They literally never played Roblox. Let's play Demonology and showcase what Roblox has to offer. Alright, great. The thing about, another game afterwards. Okay, alright, let's play 2 rounds. 2 rounds of this. Rosalie. Let's also invite a bunch of level 1s. Player disabled invites. Let's invite those people. I want to see them for who they are. Job site. Lincoln Street. Let's do Lincoln Street. Fuck it. Right. No more players we can invite. Nope. Alright, let's start the job. So the thing is, oh shit, I forgot to bring in photo camera. Fuck. Wait, is this... damn it. This is my least favorite location. Where the fuck... Yeah, alright. Right, Ghost. Mr. Ghostman, are you here? Oh shit, this is rain, right? So our... Ah, dude, this is rain. So a lot of stuff will not be working for us. Why the fuck do we always keep stumbling into the rain? The rain. Yo! Look, he seems to be throwing objects or something. Alright, remember, there is a closet here. Your plum done gone de gone did it now, son. What the fuck? Is this some sort of, is this supposed to be poetry? Yo, he's here! EMF 5. He's in the kids' room. Okay, there's a ghost in the kids' room. I'm bringing in the orb. What? What the fuck? I can't see anything. You can't see anything? What do you mean? Well, why the fuck did you go in the place where you can't see anything? The lights are already turned on everywhere we can have them turned on. I don't even know where the fuck you are. Okay. Hold on, I think you're in the basement, you idiot. Yes, he's not here. Go, let's go. The ghost is up there. In the kids' room. Follow the orb light. God damn it. Can you imagine this idiot got lost in the basement? Okay, I have the... Let's see. There is EMF 5, so, you know, you can already cross it. Well, I don't seem to spot any sort of hold on. No freezing temperature, alright. Hold on. We need to probably turn off the light. Do you have the box? Do you have the speaking box? He seems to be near, right? I'm here. I'm trying to turn off the light so that... Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is the light in for the hallway? Well, he doesn't seem to appear anywhere. Wait, how the fuck do I turn off the light here? I need to turn this thing off. Okay, the light is turned off. Probably he will reveal himself now. Drop the spirit book. I wish they had the, you know, the name mechanic just like in Phasmophobia. Wait, no, turn off the light. Turn off the light. God damn it. Well, he's not appearing yet. Otherwise the EMF would be going off wild, right? Oh, okay, he's near. He's near. He's nearby. We just have to wait until he shows himself a little bit more. Talk to him. No, it's too late. He's already gone. Alright, let me mark some stuff. Evidence, EMF 5. Talk to him now! Talk to him! Can you imagine being so lame you hunt ghosts? Nothing. Okay, well it seems to show, I don't know. What if he's in a different room? What if he's in the kitchen? What the hell? Yo, I think he's in the kitchen. Can you bring stuff to the kitchen, please? Yeah, I think he's in the kitchen. Let's try to bring stuff in the kitchen. What the fuck is this? Yo, what the hell is this? Look at this. There's a card. I think he might be in the kitchen, genuinely. Wait. Wait until I bring in more stuff, okay? Alright. This is a very boring and calm ghost. This is the calmest ghost I've seen so far. Oh god. Oh god. Yo, I think I saw him. Freezing temperature? It's angry? How the fuck did you understand it was angry? What did you do? You saw him too? In the kitchen? God. Was he in the kitchen? Or what? Ghost orb? Whoa, who the fuck is this? It's got EMF level 5, freezing temperature, and ghost orb. What the fuck is that supposed to be then? Ghost types, Banshee, the Wisp, delete, disturb, lines of salt, walk through, favorite, Wendigo, near all the flames, move faster. Not, but you said it had freezing temperature, are you sure? Alter the flame color of candles, but not below it. Yeah, but the thing is, it kind of says freezing temperature is any recording below. Okay, then who the fuck is this? Nightmare or Phantom? Wait, hold on. Phantom are unlikely hunt groups of people during hunts. Handprints. Well, in order for it to be Phantom, it needs to have handprints, right? In order to be Nightmare, it needs to have Spirit Box. Not Spirit Box. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Demons' crosses are more effective on them. Entity. It's unlikely to throw objects, throw corpses. They are stunned when the music box is first played. Appear headless, move faster. Goal, Leviathan. I'm pretty sure there is at least one spirit that can mimic other spirits, right? Move faster, Umbra. Spectre, more likely. Fake ghost orbs, they can mimic. Oh, it's Skinwalker. I think it's Skinwalker. Skinwalkers are elusive ghosts with the unique ability to mimic the abilities of other ghost types. They are frequent roamers, spending more time outside of their favorite room. Identifying Skinwalkers require extreme precision. So they can literally mimic others. I think it's Skinwalker, right? What you think? Check the black light. Of course, I'm the one who has to check it. Well, there was no ghost writing. What the fuck is this? There was no ghost writing. God damn it. We got freezing temp and EMF level 5. Yeah, but then again, it may be Skinwalker. Hey, listen, I'm gonna choose Skinwalker, alright? You choose whatever you want, I'm gonna choose Skinwalker. I think it just messes with us. No, like, read about Skinwalker, it can mimic others. Right, you choose whatever you want, I'm choosing Skinwalker. What do they even look like? Roamers, yeah. Alright, you've chosen Skinwalker, let's leave this place. Yo, Letha, you still here? What'd you think of this ghost hunting experience? This was a phantom? For real? Wait, what? A journal? Hey, you received a team invite? No. Let's... there is Invincible. There is a guy dressed up like an Invincible. Job site. Told you. Okay. Equipment. I want to have multiple cameras. Yeah, okay. Equipment. Ready up. Jagulo. Jesus, Ryan, Leo. Yo, Letha, you still here? Adam, Belsky, Artem, Optica. Ready up! Ready up! What the hell is the guy's problem? Invincible. Ready up. Okay, his friends are coming. Alright. Damn, I don't think Leith is here with us any longer. Damn, our programming friend left us. Whom do I invite? Alright, let's just start inviting anyone we see. Belsky, little... What the fuck? Those your friends? We'll have so many people, bro. Invite Franco. Franconen. Hey. Hey. Okay, ready up. See, we have a full lobby. This is the first time when we have a full lobby like that. Right. Where the fuck is my camera? Where the fuck is my camera? Jesus. Do you have the EMF scanner? Who's got EMF? Who took the EMF? EMF, give me the EMF. I'll scan the place. Here. In the bedroom. EMF 5. Where the fuck did they get the camera? Where is the camera? God damn it, where the fuck is the camera? Where did couldn't they place it? Why are the closest closets? So that I can hide. Oh yeah, there's one in the kitchen. But that's so far to run, dude. They should make it so that he reacts to curses. To Roblox curses, like hashes. Yo, what? He bumped the camera. He pushed it. Damn, there's so many of us here. If he appears, we'll all have to run to the same place. I think he would have already replied by now. No. Wanna search yourself? God damn it. What the fuck is the ghost's problem? It's to be just one guy. When did you pass away? What is your goal? Where are you? Are you near? What is your goal? What? Did you get scared? Why'd you turn on the light? Why'd you turn this on? It was. It's Phantom. But were there fingerprints? Were there any fingerprints? I don't remember finding them. Phantom needs fingerprints. handprints. Did you see them? But no handprints. Alright, then let's pick Phantom. Where the fuck do we even get the cross? Nightmare, themselves in the feeling exhibiting much from the same unusual harmless, however, particularly powerful nightmares can manifest themselves as dreams and are usually harmless, however, they are as shy and timid. This is Phantom, I think, because it is said to be shy. Yeah, it was Phantom. Yeah. Hey, let's play one more with him. I'm kind of enjoying it with them. Let's play one more. Where did your friend go? Was it your friend? Sleep, I don't know. Alright. Ready up. Flashlight. Ready up. Okay. My friend Lag. Okay. What is your friend's name? Are we waiting for him or not? No, okay, alright, let's start it. Where the fuck is my photo camera? Oh, here it is. Not here. Not here either. Not here. Not here. Orbs. Here. EMF. EMF is low. Shit. Place doesn't seem to have power. You can check it. I left it there. Where the fuck are the cameras? Is the camera? A photo of the Ouija board. Oh god. Nah, come on. This is bullshit. I literally closed myself in the closet. Are you still alive? Tell them, there was a writing. Oh god, I'm enjoying this so much, dude. Rest in peace. Tell them there is a writing. So there is a writing. There are orbs. Laser projector. It's Windigo. Why the fuck was it me? I literally hit myself. Jesus. You sure you don't want to play with them? We finally found ourselves a good group of people. Dude. Oh god, I really want to play with them. Great. Thank you, Gandalf. Thank you, Jesus. This is so cool. This is so cool. Job status success. Good. Runway drive. Nice job, guys. Equipment. Flashlight. Just run. I literally hid myself in the closet. Start. Go. Alright. Why the fuck did I take photo camera? There's literally... We all got scared. God damn it. No warps. EMF does not go high. I am seeing orbs in the flashlight. Why are they mentioning garage? Is there something about the garage? The same place. Flowers withered. God damn it, we need to turn off the slide too. Who took EMF? Give me the EMF. What if he is roaming? You know, going around the house. Where the fuck did I put the spirit box? So it's wither, it's got wither, then what? So it's either debug, roll score there, stun when music box is played, debug scan, wither, freezing temperature, Have strong bond with them. Pursue a specific goal idea before parting from the mortal plane they have. No answer. Anyone ran a handprint scan of the place? Who's got the black light? Do you have the black light? Freezing temperature? Yeah. So freezing temperature, that means it's either debug or Dullahan. But laser projector, so it's debug. Yeah, it's debug. Yeah. Alright, let's leave the place. Let's see whether it was debug or not. I swear, the ghosts in this game are way more timid and shy than, you know, in the original, you know, Phasmophobia or something. Ghosts in the original Phasmophobia are way harder. Where the fuck is the camera? Why do I have scroll so fucking far? Let's play it. Let's play it. Job site. I wish I had level 4 unlocked. Jesus, the progression in this game is ruthless. Damn. Your friend left. Do we wait for him? You guys wanna wait for him? Where the fuck did he go? Light everything? Okay. Mr. Roxy. Demonology witch with fancy. Jesus, demonology with fancy, huh? Bro, watches, we have new teammate. Oh. Master Roxy Demon, Mr. Russia 47. Escape. Who the fuck is Escape? The Juniper Heart. No one seems to be available. Alright, let's start. Start this bullshit. Ah, damn it, my neck. Hey, where's my flashlight? Standard procedure. Right. Yo. The garage. The satanic circle here. There is a satanic circle in the garage. EMF somewhere around the kitchen. God damn it. Who the fuck is that guy? Zero. I think he might be in another room adjacent to the kitchen. Well, nothing in the basement. Perhaps. But there is a circle in the garage. I think there might be, the ghost might be in the garage. 5 EMF. Talk to him with lights off everywhere. Here. Maybe there's still some light turned on somewhere. No, doesn't seem to be the case. The laser in the bedroom. It's already there. Hold on. So evidence so far. EMF level 5. Did it have freezing temperature? Freezing temperature. Well, I mean, it's Demon, Revenant, or Spectre. So Spectre needs to have laser projector evidence, which it doesn't. Temperature evidence, ghost writing, handprints, or ghost writing. It should be Demon if we find handprints. Wait, what? Someone died? No, nobody died. How is this the Revenant? Did it have ghost writing? Jesus, you all look identical, guys. No ghost writing. What the hell is that supposed to be? God damn it. order for this to be Spectre, can't be Spectre. We didn't see it. The laser, we didn't see it for the Spectre. And prints are hard to find. I think it's demon, personally. It's demon. No handprints because they are hard to find. Everything else can be. Oh, I noticed only now. At least one of them has got like a cap. Let's see what this is. Demon. That's great. Right, I think this is enough for demonology. You guys wanna play some other time? Yo, I am streaming right now. Wanna play other games with us? We are going elsewhere. You guys wanna play with us? They're asking for another one? Another one? You wanna play another one with them? How much speed do you have? How much spect? Spect? What is it? You mean viewers? Like 1 to 5 viewers. 39 followers. But I don't... Yeah, I got it now. But nah, but I don't stream mainly. 1 to 5 viewers, usually. Okay, ready up. Equipment. Start. Pick something harder. I cannot pick something harder. The only way you can choose difficulty in this game is by having another, you know. Spirit box, ghost orb, go or nightmare. Go or nightmare. He was seen and he talked. So we need to find either freezing temperature or ghost orb. So find either freezing temp or ghost orb. Wait, they both do? Oh yeah, right. Spirit box. Let's have ghost orb. No, not ghost orb. I'm sorry. I meant Ani and the other two guys. Ani Wraith Entity. Ani Wraith Entity. Ani needs freezing temperature. Entity needs fingerprints. Wraith needs EMF level 5. So it's either handprints, freezing temperature, or how is it on? Did you have freezing temp? No freezing temp. It's not on. Search for handprints. Let's get the black light. Where is the black light? But not below the 0C, right? It needs to go below the 0C. Handprints are hard to find. God damn it. Just you hear this motherfucker say hate? Typical hunting spots, control over numbers. Influence. Ani. Military from there are known for manifest guns and terrifying. Turns. Damn. Give me temp. It is not Oni. It is entity. The temp does not go below 0. No matter how close or how aggravated. Its entity. Wait. Go. See, this is going to be entity. Check it now. Check it now. Yeah, see? I guessed it right. I guessed it right. You guys wanna play with us? Hold on, let me, good job. Wait, what? Paparella Vetro? Where the fuck is this? Paparella Vetro, add friend. Friend Cacon. Where the hell is it? Good job, man. Easy for the boss. Franco, no. See? I was right. Hey. let's go play something else. My friend here had a suggestion. Yo, you have suggestions about another game or something? You wanna play another Roblox game? Oh, Sonic Exa Survival. Damn. Well, look me up on the streaming site. Hammer on what was my name again? Hammerhan Rider. Yeah. Hold on. Hammerhan Rider. I can't print my name. Hammerhan Rider with 1 M. Oh, damn it. Buick. Oh, my neck, dude. You wanna go play Sonic XL? Where did you even find this game? I'm talking about Sonic XA. Alright. Me and him are going to play that stupid Sonic game. Thank you for the level up. Thank you for the level up, lads. And continue playing this game with them. It's fine with me. Well, I don't know. You kind of alright. that's going to be a pleasant surprise for them, I think. Right, let's play one more. Let's play one more. One more. What the fuck took the flashlight? I have no clue where I'm going. Huh. An exit on the other side. I wonder if he continues chase here. If it continues the chase here. Bedroom, second floor. God damn it, it's really hard to understand whether it's on the second floor or the first floor. Give me the flashlight. Give it. Oh. Never went past 4. EMF 5. Handprint. Okay, so evidence, EMF 5, handprint. Orb. There was an orb. It's Phantom. The job is done. Congrats. It's Phantom. EMF, handprint, orb. It's Phantom. What? What do you mean nightmare? No, it had handprint. It did have handprint, right? Let's see whether I'm right or not. Yeah, see what? But I did choose Phantom. Damn. I didn't choose Phantom. Oh god. Alright. We are going to play another game now. Damn, this is so weird. Difficult, easy, medium. Oh, so that's how you switch difficulty. Okay. Fine. Because you need to diversify it. Hey, check out Hammer on Rider on Twitch. Check out my Twitch. Fuck. Check out my stream. Merhan Rider. Jesus. This is so stupid. Why the fuck am I not allowed? Yo, Twitch and its stupid rules. I swear to god, dude. So you want to play the stupid Sonic.exe survival, right? Join in. Let me just go empty my bladder. Like the usual stuff, right? Alright, I'm back. Right, so, did you find the game you were talking about? Oh, damn it. Okay, did you find the Sonic XA Survival? God damn it. Do you have like a knack for those horror games, or those creepypasta games? Sonic XA Survival. Jesus, this looks... Oh god, this looks... Tails, next. Can I... Oh. Knuckles. Amy. Eggman. Yeah, okay, I'll select Eggman. Why not? I mean, Eggman appears to be so frail. Oh god, look at my Eggman. How the fuck do we play this? What the hell even is this? Oh god. What the fuck do we do? Oh look, it's got Look, it's got fuck, what is this thing called? It's got Left 4 Dead interface for some reason. fuck do I, What the hell are those, red rings? Settings... Camera... Graphics mode... What the hell is the camera mode? Okay, classic... Oh. No, wait, settings, camera... Camera toggle... What the fuck? Okay, what is the objective here? I don't get this. I don't understand this. Are we supposed to somehow run or search for a specific... Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. Great. So we're supposed to search for, green rings, right? Oh god, I'm being followed. Huh. Idiots. What does this even mean? This... What? How the fuck did I die? Okay, now I'm one of them, apparently. I don't get this. Like, what are we even supposed to do? Like, what the fuck is the gameplay here? I don't understand this. Is there something I'm missing about this game? What is this half-baked piece of shit? What the hell is this game? Did I pick up that ring? Oh god, you can't even fall off the cliff here. Wait, can we climb that mountain? I thought this was the DVD Sonic. Oh wow, clearly not, kid. What in the God's name? Jesus, what is this game? I really want to see what it's got to offer. I'm climbing up somewhere. Become one of them. Tap here to become one of them. Like, what the hell? Why did I even die? I feel like this game is not even complete. Like, they didn't just... Okay, hold on. Reset, reset. Previously, Amy Cream, Sally, Shadow, Shadow Rouge, Sonic Exec Survival. What the hell am I supposed to do? Eggman. Okay, let's select Eggman once again. Right, I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna make my best. I think I need to collect some sort of green rings. I collected them once, but I don't remember where they... Like, where the fuck I'm supposed to collect them. What the fuck? Okay, the red ring did not switch to green after I picked it up. That experiment was stupid. What the fuck am I supposed to do here? I remember picking up some sort of a green ring, but I don't know what it does. Desperately so. Like, I don't even think they do anything. Like, being around them, it doesn't do anything. Yeah, this is the place where I found the green ring the previous time. Does it have any more green rings? This is bullshit. How would you even find this game, Gandalf? This game is stupid. This game is stupid as fuck. Oh, here's the jumper. Dead by Daylight sort of thing. Well, it clearly is not. You found it on YouTube? Well, it's clearly not. It's some very weird form of... I don't even have a clue what this is. We're trying to choose the survivors and the survivors try to escape. Yo, you wanna go to Asylum RP again? You know, the game we played previously, and where we escaped from? I think I got a lot of points in that game. I wonder if I have new classes available to me. Okay, hold on. Leave. Wait a second. Where was the Asylum RP? Steel Patty. Asylum RP. Asylum Life. Choose your team. Patient. Click to play. What? I still don't have psychotic patient unlocked. Top team. Level 50, level 75. Damn it. You want to escape the place with me again, multiple amount of times before we unlock the psychotic patient. What is my level? Only 11? Dude. My level is 25. Jesus. Right, bartender. Fuck. Yes, thank you. Oh god, what the fuck? Demon Slayer, Sticky Bomb, Bomb Landmine, Gas Mask, Night Vision, Wooden Bat, Dragon Slayer, Damage, Whelp. What do you mean Whelp? Guess it no longer exists. Well, I'm guessing it was deleted because it might have been too controversial or too unsafe for kids. You know how the game just gets sometimes too freaking... Oh god, there are medics here. Well, we might as well just use a crowbar, right? God damn it, looks like I'll have to use a crowbar. Okay, crowbar. Camera control enabled. Let's go. We need to use a crowbar to escape this stupid facility. Okay, stolen crowbar. Patient. What? Van mode, look around for vents. Yeah, what the fuck am I supposed to do? This van is useless. Van mode, look around for vents. What the fuck am I supposed to do here? equipment, landing. Oh, that's how you use it. So you have to like search around for other vents nearby. Okay, that's interesting. Stationary bathroom. Bomb frenzy. Oh god. I really don't want to get bombed right now. How the fuck do... Ah, shit. Okay, let's go to the landing spot. Doesn't seem to have that many places to go, right? No, actually, let's go back. I have a plan. We'll just use the stolen staff card and quickly go through the... While there's still mayhem, we'll just use it. Okay. Alright. Oh god. I have, oh god. Oh god, no, please, don't detain me. Don't just detain me, you fucking piece of shit. I should have, oh god damn it. I should have, wait, equip cosmetics. Oh man, I should remove my back buddies. Wait, equip cosmetics, right arm, left arm. Like, they gave me away. Those stupid cosmetics gave me away. I should have never worn them. Exit. Reset to avatar. Oh god, no. My cosmetics are stuck with me forever now. Oh god. My cosmetics are stuck with me forever. Wait, hold on. What if I swap teams? Swap teams, click to play, patient, click to play. God damn it, wait, hold on. I need to swap teams, right? Orderly staff. Click to play, click to play. Alright, now swap teams, click to play, click to play. Okay, now my avatar is reset. Jesus. I had to play with my escape chance for this to work. Oh god, I had such a golden opportunity to escape. Alright, are you anywhere nearby, Gandalf? Let's buy key cards and just start going through the med bay. The med bay seems to be the most consistent way to break out of here. Oh god. People beating all crowd out of each other. Hey! Alright. I'm on my way to escaping this place. Stupid, wretched place. Actually, I should have bought myself a crowbar, right? Because buying myself a crowbar, that means I would be able to use vents around this place. Huh. I wonder if there's some sort of armor you can access. Alright, let's just wait until someone enters the freaking... Jesus Christ, this is so stupid. Look at this is so easy to just go through this place. He didn't even check me. No, I'm gonna wait for an elevator. I'm gonna wait for an elevator. He could literally just look at me and see I had a nose and I was in disguise, but he didn't. This is so stupid. This is so stupid. God damn it. Paint roller. Why would anyone use a ladder? Jesus. Well, I guess I'll have to wait. I'm already halfway through. Find the hidden item. Use 2 boosts. Kill 2 people. Kill 2 people. Earn 50,000. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Open shop. Huh. Nope, I'm not doing that. Levels. Accessory. Morph. What the hell is a morph? Orange fitted crowbar. Ink belt. What other things do they have here? Skin, morph. Accessory, morph. What the fuck is a morph? Xenomorph? What do they have at level 100? Jesus, maniacal patient. Orange katana. Right arm boot guards. Damn. Brute patient. Psychosomatic patient. There is a rabid pitbull loose. Jesus. This sounds horrifying. I feel like there is an easier way how to escape from this place, but involves a crowbar. I should buy a crowbar the next time I'll be making it out. Where the fuck are you, Gandalf? Coin. Glass shard. I got a free glass shard. What the fuck? $90K, $110K. Damn. Board settings. Manage skins. Visuals. Jesus, why is nobody taking the freaking elevator? Do you guys not want to go here, down here to the level? When are they going to die? Backpack, RP items. What? Huh. Yo, what the fuck is this? Did you see this? Did you see that? You can actually use RP items here. What other RP items do you have? What the fuck? Okay. Who the fuck is this? He's got a player. Gandalf, where the fuck are you? Buy a keycard and come here. He's also got the nails. What the hell is this? No, wait. I got a plan. I cooked up the plan. I'll pretend to be in a wheelchair or something. Like someone who got messed up by the... He's a nurse. I'm just a wounded orderly. No, nobody's gonna believe this bullshit. What the fuck? Oh shit, I fell off. Well, we're gonna be stuck here forever now. Oh god, there was an elevator coming down! Damn! I should have waited for an elevator. Jesus Christ. Should have waited for an elevator. There was an elevator coming down just now. Look at us, two idiots. We lost it. I'm making my grand escape, making my grand escape. He got caught, and in the meantime I didn't. Look at me, I'm escaping in the wheelchair. Look at me, Gandalf. I'm escaping in the wheelchair. See you later, you morons. Oh god. God damn it, this is so funny. This is Jesus Christ. Alright, I've escaped it. Yes! I've escaped this bullshit. Yeah, the funniest thing is he got absolutely caught in there. This is actually so stupid that you never really escape from this place. Now I've just gotta take a crowbar or something. Crowbar by... Where are you? Where are you, Gandalf? I got a plan. I cooked up a plan.
Let's be friends. I need a hug. I need a hug. Will you be my friend?
Okay, so we just need to use the crowbar like that, right? It was a... Fuck. Yo, this is the opening I was waiting for. What the hell is this place? I hope he does not look at me. Jesus. Look at me. Look at this. Oh god. Oh god. Did you see this? The guy just looked at me, but I was so close. What the hell is going on here? What the fuck is this? What the hell is this place? I'm pretty sure they know I'm not one of them. Alright, it's time to make our grand escape. Oh god. He's going after me, Jesus. Oh god. Oh god. Pain roller. Oh no! No, my freedom! No! You fascist pigs! You were boxed. Damn. I'm boxed in the wheelchair. Yeah, there's really nothing special going on in that room. Really. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh god. Wants to be zombie? Damn. This sounds extreme. Where the fuck are you, Gandalf? Alright, let's go. God damn it. They better not have noticed me. Oh, look. This is the place where we can use a crowbar, right? You can't really use a crowbar here. Can you use it somewhere here? No. What the fuck do you use the crowbar for then? Hey Gandalf, are you even here? Okay, patient kitchen, utility corridor, bathroom A, medical triage, cubic reception. Closet? What the fuck is a closet? Oh, okay, I get it now. Crowbar. Oh, god damn it. I can't use the crowbar now. God damn it. Did I escape them? Okay, oh god damn it. Gymnasium? Cubic storage? What the fuck is a cubic storage? Jesus. Yeah, I don't think Gandalf is here anymore. Oh, damn, this is so weird. I think someone saw me. Someone definitely must have seen me, but they didn't really do anything. Oh, so this is where it is. This is what it's called, the cubic storage. Ah. There isn't really much. There isn't really anything going on here. Damn, Gandalf, are you even here? I got bored of this. I don't think you were here on the server, even. Yeah, I think I'll be ending the stream now. I think the Gandalf left. Now I'm definitely alone. Alright, well, it was a nice stream. Way better than what I expected. Alright, see you around, guys.